I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Bybit and cash out if you want to. We're going to sell our crypto in the spot market. So come to trade, click spot. That takes you through to the trading screen. Top left, we want to find the currency pair that we want to trade. So you're looking to sell your crypto into a fiat currency, right? And then withdraw it from the platform. These are the fiat currency trading pairs right here. Euros, Brazilian real, Polish zloty, Turkish lira. If the fiat currency you want to buy and cash out with isn't available on Bybit right now, then what I would recommend is withdrawing your crypto from Bybit and sending it over to another crypto exchange where you can cash out. So if you're in a G7 country, Coinbase, Kraken, Crypto.com have pretty good on and off ramps. I'll leave links below to those exchanges. They may give a bonus if you're a new user on those, so certainly take advantage of that. I'll also leave some videos on how to set up on those platforms, how to withdraw from Bybit into another platform, how to cash out and everything. So if you need those videos, I'll list those below as well. But what I'll show you now is selling a crypto for some euros and then cashing out. Firstly, we need to find our trading pair so that we can sell into euros. So top left, find euro trading pair here. And these are the current coins that are supported with a euro trading pair. If your coin isn't listed here, it means you can't sell it directly into euros. So first, what I'd recommend is selling it into USDT or USDC. So take your coin, sell it first into one of those stable coins, then you've got the stable coin, you can sell the stable coin into euros. For me, I'll show you with some ETH because I've got ETH. So I'll press ETH and you can see top left, ETH euro trading pair, selling ETH, buying euros. I'm going to transfer the ETH into my trading account. So click the ETH here. I'm going to send that from funding into trading so I can actually go ahead and sell it. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and sell the ETH. So we need to press sell. I'm going to show you a market order just to get the trade done. That means that the price we're going to sell at is this one right here, which is the best bidder at the current time. So they're trying to buy ETH with euros and we're going to sell them the ETH for their euros. We can choose the amount of ETH that we want to sell. You can do it in value as well, right? So if you're looking to trade a certain amount of value in euros, right? So you want 250 euros worth and you're going to sell your fiat currency, you can do that. Or you can click the drop down here and you can sell by the quantity of the crypto that you have. But it's better to know exactly how many of the fiat currency you're getting. So let's say we want to sell 250 euros, just press sell right here and that's it. So I'll show you, you might have a screen, like a confirmation screen first. Do you want to go ahead with that order? Press sell. That's going to sell the crypto and then you're going to have some euros in your trading account. In order to cash out from Bybit, you need to send the euros that you have now or the other fiat currencies out into your funding account. So go to your assets up here in your main page, go to asset overview, and then on the left, go to unified trading. That's where your money is right now. Search for the asset that you want to send over into funding. So you have some euros, right, which is this one. Press transfer in the right. From unified trading into funding, press the amount that you want to transfer over, press confirm. That sends it from your trading account into your funding account now. Now we can actually go ahead and withdraw that asset from the platform. If you're looking to cash out of Bybit because you want to spend the money, then I highly recommend the Bybit card as well. This is actually a fully fledged MasterCard and you can spend it anywhere that card is accepted. I actually use this all the time myself as well. I actually use it with stablecoins. So I've got some USDC in my Earn account. You can put it into auto savings. It's currently earning 6% APY, waiting to be spent. Then when I spend on the card, it takes a stable coin and transfers it into my local fiat currency to spend with at the merchant. Super convenient. You don't have to off-ramp at all. Now, if you're spending fiat currency like euros, there are no transaction fees. It's just euro to euro payments and there's no extra fees on that at all. It's a great use case. I've got a video on the card that I'll leave in the description, which goes through all of the details that you might want to know if you want to apply for the card. Also, spending crypto may be a taxable event. So definitely make sure that you know that before selling and cashing out in any regard, that you know that that may be a taxable event that you have to pay taxes on, like capital gains taxes. So before spending, make sure you know that. But if you are looking to spend anyway, selling and putting some in your Bybit card, you can just use it directly and you don't have to off-ramp at all. If you're looking to offload larger amounts, we need to use a bank transfer. So go to buy crypto, fiat deposit. You can see deposit and withdrawal here. So press withdrawal and you can make that withdrawal out. Now, if you've never done this before and you haven't actually made a deposit into Bybit before, you need to do that first so that you link your bank account. You need to link your bank account first and Bybit need to check that that bank account has all of the same details as your Bybit account so that you can then make a withdrawal out to it. You have to do this first. So to make a deposit, go to Euros, SEPA, We're going to press continue. And then from here it says complete the questionnaire. So we'll do that. Choose whatever you want here, right? Fiat deposit, withdrawal, Bybit card, this amount per month, and next, occupation and income. The important thing though is nationality and residence here. You have to prove your address and where you live, and you have to give them that, either a utility bill or a bank statement, and that has to be the same name and same address as is on your bank. And that has to be the same name and KYC details that you've given Bybit. All of that has to be exactly the same. If you can do that and you can prove your residence and address, you can go into the next screen and do that, and then they will accept you to make a deposit into Bybit. You can send that SEPA payment from your bank into Bybit, a small amount to actually link the account. Once you've linked that account and made that deposit, you can then go and make the withdrawal. So Fiat withdrawal, choose the amount that you want to withdraw, press SEPA like this, press continue. That's a bank transfer in Europe. And we can go ahead and press confirm and press continue. And that will send out via SEPA transfer with that small fee out into the bank account that you've linked. But the bank and your Bybit account has to have the same KYC details, and you have to be able to prove your address, and everything has to be the same to make that withdrawal out. If you need more help with Bybit, I've got a full tutorial for the whole platform linked down in the description. Some deposit and trading bonuses on the exchanges I use as well are linked down there. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.